Hi everybody, let's make a pinch pot. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little ball of clay, and as you can see, I'm patting it into a nice round ball. It is a solid ball. We never ever work with solid clay. Everything we make in ceramics has to be hollow. In other words, it's not solid clay all the way through like this ball is. So how do we make a pinch pot? Well, I'm right-handed, so I'm going to take my ball, I'm going to put it in the palm of my left hand. So I have it like this. In my right hand, I'm going to use this finger, my thumb, and these two fingers. I'm going to take my thumb and I'm going to put it down the center of this straight, not like this, because that'll make an oval opening, like this. And I'm going to push all the way down against the palm of my hand. And then with these two fingers, I'm going to press that clay from the bottom up. See? From the bottom up, and I'm pinching that clay around the meaty part of my thumb on the inside. See how I'm pinching that from the bottom and up. I'm stopping before I get to this lip. And the reason is I want that lip to be nice, or the rim, which is called the lip, I want that to be nice and even. Now I continue to pinch. I can use my hands and my fingers from my other hand from the bottom. So I'm pinching from the bottom and pinching up, stopping at the rim. From the bottom and up and stopping at the rim, which is actually called the lip in ceramics. So as you can see, I've already made a little pinch pot. Okay, so again, that was this thumb going straight down into my ball, taking these two fingers, pinching between my thumb and my two fingers. I'm pinching the clay from the bottom and up and twisting the ball of clay around in my hand until it feels like the ball of clay has even walls all the way around, and I have a nice little pinch pot. Now from here, we can make it into an animal. And how we'll do that is we will attach some eyes and a nose and a mouth and some ears, and we'll do that by slipping and scoring. So pinch pot first. Okay, so now I have my pinch pot, and I'm going to make him into an animal. So we're going to turn that upside down. I made what will be the beginning of a nose right here. So how am I going to attach that? I'm going to take and I'm going to score that little piece. We'll put just a little bit of water on there, and then we will take our piece that we're attaching, stick it on. And that little bit of clay acts like glue. I'm going to give him a little snout. See, for the beginning of a little piggy. Oh, here's one ear. Again, I'm going to score it. I'm going to wet it with a little bit of water. Then I will stick my ear on. There's ears number one. Again, I'm scoring. See? It's called scoring. And I get that just a little bit wet. Put another ear on. Now we need some eyes, right? Well, I think we're just going to poke some little eyes right in here. And there's my little piggy. Okay, I could add a tail, I could add some other things to it, but for purpose of this demo, that's how you add things to your little piggy or whatever little animal you want to make. Okay, so it's just a pinch pot upside down, and then we're adding a snout and some ears, and we're all set with pinch pot.